Welcome to Forex Bunker's Weekly Analysis. It started off with GJ, and this week we had our push up to our support and resistance zone that we were waiting for with a nice short down, and it stopped at 135, I believe, 135.50, something around there. So about a 400 pip drop, which is quite a nice push down from that resistance zone. So this week to come, we should expect to see more push down to break this low, heading towards this zone down here. We'll just have a quick look at the daily chart. So as you can see, our push was just here, quite a nice short. If you are more conservative type, even under this zone would have been nice. But as you can see, we haven't actually broken any of the higher lows yet. So this first area will be one to be cautious of. But if we do break that, I would anticipate us to continue down, as I just said. Alright, that's it for GJ. I hope you had some good pips on GJ this week, and we'll move on to GU. This is a GU weekly chart, and as you can see, it's pretty much the same as GJ. We had our push up. We were anticipating for a little bit higher than this, but this is what happened. Bounced off our support and resistance line at 15365, which was this point over here, and this point over here, and these two candle bodies, and also this little bit. So it was a quite nice bounce, and also it was about a 300 pip push down. So I would, the same as GJ, anticipate us to move down a little bit further. But let's have a look at the daily chart and see what this week actually brought day by day. So as you can see, it's nearly identical to GJ. Same again. If you're the conservative type, a nice short under that zone would have been good, or a short directly off this support and resistance line. And as you notice, same as GJ, we have not made a higher low, or have not broken one of the higher lows, I should say. So if this area is a little bit of caution, but if it does break it and do something like that, or even straight down, we will be continuing down for a little bit further, I would imagine. Alright, that's it for GU. Let's have a quick look at the news that's coming out for this week, between the 21st and the 26th. As you can see, we've got a couple of pound stuff coming up, which will move the market. And Euro has a huge week this week, especially this German stuff. And what else do we have? So look down a little bit further. The unemployment claims will be quite big for the US, which will affect the GU and GJ, depending on what the number is, of course. But watch out for that one. And lots of speakers on Friday, which could cause some movement that you won't see without watching a news feed. If you don't watch a news feed, I'd suggest Rand Score. Let me just load it up. I'll show you. While that just loads, this page here, if you haven't seen it, is forexfactory.com, and their calendar. It's really handy for the events as they come out, and when they come out, there's a little green refresh button that allows you to update it really quickly. But this is the news feed that I use. Just let me move this over so you can see it. If you have any websites that are really good and really helpful that you find, please share it on the site for everyone to learn. This is the news feed I use. every updates all the time, tells you things. So when we see a speaker, like on Friday, coming up, it's really easy to see what they say. Let me see if I can find one. Give me a sec. I'll just pause the video so I can find one. So as you can see here, this is all about the Bank of England. You don't get to see this on most sites, and that's why I use RandSquawk. This is just a free account, and you get the news, which is very handy. And I just thought I'd share that with you to help you improve one aspect of your trading. Thanks for watching. Be sure to come and check us out at forexbunker.com and join the community. Have a great week.